If you care about privacy and smartphone security, this video is for you. Today, I'll explain Android app permissions explained and how you can easily control what apps can access on your device. Go to the settings menu. This is the main area where you can customize your device settings, privacy options, security features, and app controls. Inside the settings menu, slowly scroll down and look for the apps, applications, or apps and notifications option, depending on your phone model and Android version. Tap on it to continue. Here you'll see a complete list of all installed apps on your device. Next, scroll through the list and select the specific app whose permissions you want to manage. Once you open the app information page, look for the permissions option and tap on it. This section shows every permission the app is currently using or requesting access to. For example, if you tap on location, you may see options like allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or don't allow. Some apps may only show two options depending on the Android version. Choose the setting that best matches your privacy preference. You can repeat the same process for other permissions such as camera, microphone, contacts, storage, phone, SMS, or notifications. Managing permissions regularly helps improve your phone's security, reduces unnecessary background access, and gives you more control over your personal information. Hopefully, this guide made Android app permissions easier to understand. If you enjoyed the video, leave a comment below and subscribe for more Android settings tutorials, hidden features, and mobile tips every day.